In 1997, scientists recorded a mysterious sound in the Pacific Ocean. It was louder than any known sea creature or underwater event. The sound was named the bloop because of its unique, deep tone. It was detected by underwater microphones thousands of miles apart. The strange part? It matched the profile of a living creature's call. But no known animal is big enough to produce such a powerful sound. Some researchers thought it might be an iceberg breaking apart. Others believed it came from an unknown sea monster lurking deep below. Despite years of study, the source of the bloop remains a mystery. To this day, no one knows what made the loudest sound ever recorded underwater. Follow for more amazing stories.